Welcome to 20x Gadgets. In this tutorial we will see how to remove the image background without installing any third-party software. So we will not be using Photoshop or any other software. We will use Windows 10 to remove the image background. So how we can do it? Let's start. Click the window icon at the bottom left corner and type Paint 3D. Once Paint 3D is open, click New. Now we have to drop the image to remove the background. We have this image, we have to remove the background and we have to take only the selected area we want. To do this, click Magic Select and select the desired area. Once the area is selected, on the right side, click Next. After selecting by the magic tool, we see there is some area which we don't want. To remove this area, go to the right side and click Remove. Now using the magic select, please select the area to remove this part. Now we see the undesired area has been removed and we can save this image now. To save the image, click Next. Now we see the image background has been removed and we can save this image. To save the image, right click and copy. Open Microsoft Word. Click blank document and paste the image. Now we see the image background has been removed and we can save this image. To save the image, right click and save picture as. This is the final image where we have removed the background. There is another way which we can use to remove the image background. There is a website called Image Background Remover. Select remove.bg website and upload your photo. We're gonna select the same image so we can see there is no difference removing the image background. So I open the other image as well, so you can see there is not much difference. On the left side we have removed the image background using the Paint 3D, and on the right side we have removed the image background using the website remove.bg. This is for today. If you really like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as a token of appreciation. So we will keep making the videos for you to learn new things. Thank you.